Okay, so just a little update on the Molle rucks, or rather the suspension system. I had a bit of an issue with the quick release buckles because they just wouldn't clip in. I tried and tried and tried and tried some more, and it just wasn't going to clip on. So what I had to do is basically use a little file and just file this bit ever so slightly, being careful not to, go overboard. And yeah, I mean, now finally these things should clip on with ease, or not. Well, I managed earlier, but okay, I'm gonna have to basically do this with two hands because I can't manage with one. But basically, that's just a little update on the quick release buckles. I looked online to see if anyone else had the same problem, and I couldn't find anything regarding this particular issue. So I figured I'd make this quick video and showcase the problem that I had and how I managed to fix it. Another thing is that the Ranger Green from the second ruck kind of really, you can tell a difference here on the while I'm indoors, because I have to say, rewatching the video yesterday, it's I mean, when the sun hits it, it still looks kind of dark gray, at least in the video, but I can assure you that this is a nice, very nice Ranger Green. Really happy with it. And that's the kind of yellowish tinge from a light dip and a quick dip in the Rit dye apple green. So just to showcase the different colors and the different setups that I'm planning for the rucks. I guess this just shows better indoors, color wise. Anyway, here I am again, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching.